I have a soft spot for building the magic themed book nooks, and today we are going to build another magic one called Magic World by Funpola. Oh, it's very nicely packaged. There's the light kit, a little screwdriver, a little witch's hat, the emery board, glue. That's so nice to receive. Directions. They are all in color. I love that. It does make things easier. Have dust covers, and there is a protective film that you peel off when you're ready for them. Lots and lots of book stickers. Very nice. And then the wooden pieces, if I can just get that out. I think we should open them and see what they look like. Ooh, very nicely printed, a good quality of wood. These seem like they're going to be easy to pop out from the frame without a lot of trouble, and that really does make a difference. Here we have all the books, and look at these tiny little wand boxes. They're so cute. But so is Leo Boone. He believes the box is just his size. He approves. Here we have the first few steps. It doesn't take long to start to see things come together. I love the little hat. A couple of more steps in. There are the wand boxes, some more books. And here are the finished results. I have no complaints. Check out the little black cat. I love the floating books, the white owl. We all know what that looks like. Hi, Hedwig. The details in this are just so much fun. I really feel like I could step right into this world, do some book shopping, maybe get my very own wand, pet the cat, and check out Voyage of the Dawn Treader. I love the C.S. Lewis books. I had to put that one in a special place. The lighting is really nice in here. The construction of this overall was great. I love the little hat stacked on the books. Little wand stand back there. I really did enjoy building this set. I think you should check it out. It would look really amazing if you have Harry Potter books. Just saying.